Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to buy VOO on Interactive Brokers using the client portal. Let's get straight into it. First, head over to interactivebrokers.com and click the Login button in the upper right corner. Select Portal Login from the options, enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the client portal homepage with your portfolio overview. Next, click the Trade button in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens the order ticket with a search field where you can enter the ticker you want to buy. Type VOO in the search field and press Enter. Interactive Brokers will show you several options: stock, futures, options, and contracts for difference. Since VOO is an ETF, you'll select the stock option. In the search results dropdown, choose the listing that shows VOO STK at ARCA. This is the primary exchange for VOO. Once you select it, the order ticket opens with VOO details, showing the current price and bid-ask spread. Now enter the number of shares you want to buy in the quantity field. As you type, the estimated total cost updates automatically so you can see what you'll be spending. Next, choose your order type from the dropdown. For a liquid ETF like VOO, a market order works well and will execute quickly during market hours. If you want more control over the price, you can select limit instead, but for this walkthrough, we'll stick with market. Set the order duration. This typically defaults to day, which means the order stays active until market close. You can change this if needed, but day works for most trades. Click the Preview button at the bottom of the order ticket. This brings up a screen showing all your order details, including the estimated total cost. Double-check the bid-ask spread and make sure you have enough available cash in your account. Finally, click Submit Buy Order at the bottom of the preview screen. You'll see an order confirmation message, and the status will show as pending, then filled once the order executes. For VOO during market hours, this usually happens within seconds. After your order fills, you can check the Portfolio section of Client Portal to see your new VOO position. You'll also receive an email confirmation with the execution details. The shares appear in your portfolio with your cost basis automatically tracked. If you're on IBKR Lite, you won't pay any commission on US-listed ETFs. IBKR Pro clients may see a commission charge, but it's typically reimbursed if you hold the shares for at least 30 days. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.